Is your iPhone like this? It still has 30% battery, but it suddenly shuts down. Or it gets so hot that you can fry an egg after playing with it for 10 minutes? Don't worry. Today, these 6 symptoms will tell you that your battery is crying for help. First, the battery is swollen. If the back cover of your iPhone is lifted up and the screen is bulging, turn it off immediately. A swollen battery is like a time bomb, and it may explode if you continue to use it. Second, the health level is below 80%. Apple officially confirmed at this point the battery is already short-lived, and the battery life is directly cut in half. Here's a tip. Open Settings, Battery Health. If it shows Maintenance, replace the battery without delay. Third, turn off the iPhone at any time. The screen goes black when the battery is at 20%. Fourth, it gets abnormally hot. It gets hot when you use it normally. These are all death signals of battery aging. When the lithium battery ages, the voltage becomes unstable and the iPhone will automatically shut down for protection. But your experience? It's completely broken. Fifth, the system freezes like a slideshow. Sixth, the battery drops by 10% in 1 minute. When the old battery is insufficient, the iPhone will automatically reduce the frequency, so the more you use it, the slower it will be. Don't believe it? Open the camera app. If it freezes for more than 3 seconds, the battery is the culprit. How to solve it? There are 2 solutions. First, replace the battery with an official one, which is safe but expensive. Second, use a reliable third-party battery, which saves money, but be sure to identify the brand. Final warning: if your iPhone has more than 3 of these problems, don't delay. Last year, a user burned his sofa due to a swollen battery. Does your iPhone have these problems?